Is in our time. We first met on holiday, don't forget.
Oh yes! I was about to jump on a tram and our eyes met over an ice cream wafer sandwich.
It were a boiling hot day that day.
No, it was cold and windy that day.
Oh, I know. Well, I've always had a soft spot for Bridlington.
Bridlington? We were in Bangor.
Hey?
Here, look, I've dug out the old photo album.
Oh, yeah. We met at 9.
We met at 8.
I was on time.
No, you were late.
Ah, yes, I remember it well. We dined with friends.
We dined alone.
A tenor sang.
The baritone.
Ah, yes, I remember it well. That dazzling April moon.
There was none that night.
Hey.
And the month was June.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
It warms my heart to think that you remember still the way you do.
Yes, remember well. Let's see these photos, love. Hey, look at you in a posh frock, eh? Wore a gown of gold.
I was dressed in blue.
Really? Oh, am I getting old?
Oh no, not you. You were so strong, so young and gay. A prince of love in every way.
Yes, I remember it well. Hey, what are you wearing in that one, eh?
Oh, that's a lovely one of us too. Happy memories.
Hey, it was Bangor, 1952. Just like it were yesterday, eh?
I can't wait to see the sea. Oh, I'll just jump on a tram. It'll get me there in no time. With my high starched collar and my high heel shoes and my hair held high upon my head, I went to lose a jolly hour on the trolley, but lost my heart instead. With his bright green trilby and his pale green tie, he was quite the handsomest of men. I started to yen, so I counted to 10, then I counted to 10 again. Clang, clang, clang went the trolley. Ding, ding, ding went the bell. Zing, zing, zing went my heartstrings. From the moment I saw him I fell. Chuck, chuck, chuck went the motor. Bump, bump, bump went the brakes. Thump, thump, thump went my heartstrings. When he smiled I could feel the car shake. He tipped his hat and took a seat. He said he hoped he hadn't stepped upon my feet. He asked my name. I held my breath. I couldn't speak because he scared me half to death. Buzz, buzz, buzz went the buzzer. Plop, plop, plop went the wheels. Stop, stop, stop went my heartstrings. As he started to leave, I took hold of his sleeve with my hand, and as if it were planned, he stayed on with me, and it was grand just to stand with his hand holding mine till the end of the line. Zing, zing, zing went my heart. Woo!
I'm so glad glad I bumped into you, Elsie. Here, look, I've written our names in the sand.
Oh, that's lovely. But I've got to go. I've got something very important to do. Ta-ra!
No, Elsie, love, don't go. I've only just... She's gone already. On a day like today, we pass the time away, writing love letters in the sand. Can you believe she's disappeared on me? How you laugh when I cry, each time I saw the time. Take our love letters from the sand. I'm all on my own again now. You made a vow that you would ever be true, but somehow that vow meant nothing to you. Now my lonely heart aches. It does, I can feel it. With every wave that breaks over love letters in the sand. Here, I come to the seaside for the day. It's lovely and sunny, and all of a sudden I bump into the girl of my dreams. And before you know it, she's up to disappeared on me. Left all on my own again at the seaside. What am I going to do now, eh? I might have an ice cream. Or perhaps some whelks. Now my lonely heart aches with every wave that breaks over love letters in the sand. Elsie, love, you came back. By heck, I thought you'd gone for good.
No, you daft ape. I just went to get us some ice creams, but they melted.
You're a keeper, you are. I'm so glad I met you. I've had such a lovely time.
Didn't we have a lovely time the day we went to Bangor? A beautiful day, we had lunch on the way, and all for under £1, you know. And on the way back, I cuddled with Jack,
and we opened a bottle of cider,
singing a few of our favourite songs as the wheels went round. Do you recall the thrill of it all as we walked along the seafront? And then on the sand we heard a brass band that played the diddly-om-tiara.
Elsie and me had one cup of tea and we took a paddly boat out, splashing away as we sat in the bay and the wheels went round.
Didn't we have a lovely time the day we went to Bangor? A beautiful day, we had lunch on the way, and all for under £1, you know. And on the way back, I cuddled with Jack,
and we opened a bottle of cider,
singing a few of our favourite songs as the wheels went round.
Here, I'll tell you what happened next. Well, Elsie and me, we finished our tea and we waved goodbye to the seaside. Jumped on the bus and she says to us, oh, isn't it a shame to go?
Wouldn't it be grand to have cash on demand and live like this for always? Oh, how I feel when I think of it still as the wheels go round. And didn't we have a lovely time the day we went to Bangor? A beautiful day, we had lunch on the way, and all for under £1, you know. And on the way back, I cuddled with Jack, and we opened a bottle of cider, singing a few of our favourite songs as the wheels went round. Singing a few of our favourite songs as the wheels went round. That was a fun holiday.
It certainly was, love. Now, it were a year to the day after that we got married. Here, do you remember our honeymoon, love?
Oh, how could I forget? He took me on a cycling holiday for our honeymoon.
Hey, we're smashing.
It was so romantic, Jack. Daisy, Daisy, and give me your answer too. I'm half crazy over the love of you. It won't be a stylish marriage. I can't afford a carriage, but you look sweet upon the seat of a bicycle made for two.
Right, love, jump on. It's not far to B&B.
Oh, this'll be fun, Jack.
Ran around on my push bike, honey, but I was nowhere near you. Ran round town in a hurry, honey, had to get a much better view. You look so pretty as you were riding along. You look so pretty, and you were singing this song.
Are we nearly there yet?
Not far, love. Keep pedaling. Riding around on our bicycle, honey, bicycle built just for two. I can see you in my rearview mirror. I got a much better view. You look so pretty as you were riding along. You look so pretty, and you were singing this song. Come on, love, let's get a move on, eh? Round, round, wheels go round and round. Down, up, pebbles, down, up, down. Gotta get across to the other side of town before the sun goes down. Hey, 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 downhill! Whee! Yeah! And up again. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. It's gonna tip with rain. We best get cracking. We're gonna get soaked.
Quickly, Jack! Raindrops keep falling on my head. Just like the guy whose feet are too big for his bed. Nothing seems to fit, and those raindrops keep falling on my head. They keep falling, 'cause I just done me some talking to the sun. And I said I didn't like the way he'd got things done, sleeping on the job, and those raindrops keep falling on my head, they keep falling. But there's one thing I know, the blues they sent to meet me, I want to feed me. It won't be long till happiness comes up to greet me. The raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Crying's not for me, cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free. Nothing's bothering me. I'm exhausted just thinking about that holiday.
Hey, wonder what happened to that tandem of ours, eh?
Oh, I don't.
Now, a couple of years after that, we had a smashing walking holiday.
Oh, yes, it was the hottest summer on record. And where did we go?
Scotland, of course! Hey, I was smashing it.
Of course. Here comes summer. School is out, oh happy day. Here comes summer. Gone, girl, and gone away. Here comes summer. every day. Oh, let the sun shine bright on our happy summer home.
Right, let's get ready for the Highlands, love.
Yeah, I've never been to Scotland before. This will be fun. Excuse me, love. I've just got to put the sheep there.
Here comes summer. I feel yours next to mine. Here comes summer. When we're close, our hearts entwine. Here comes summer. We'll have summer all the time.
Oh, let the sun shine bright on our happy summer home. Here comes summer.
Here comes summer. June is here, the sun is bright.
Here comes summer.
Here comes summer. Driving movies every night.
Double feature.
Double feature. Lots more time to hold you tight.
Oh, let the sun shine bright
On our happy summer home. Powering over though. Let's get the max on just in case.
Oh, good idea. We don't want to get wet, do we, Jack?
No, no.
Oh, that's better.
Here comes summer. See my baby every day.
Here comes summer. We'll meet the gang at Joe's Cafe. Here comes summer. Oh, we'll have summer every day.
Oh, let the sun shine bright on our happy summer home.
So let the sun shine bright. We'll have summer every day.
Right, dog, we best get cracking. It's only for 5 miles to B&B.
Yeah, you said that 5 miles ago, Jack. And you keep saying you've got something for me.
This way, love.
Something you call love or confess.
Hey, ain't it bracing up here, eh?
Yes, you've been messing where you shouldn't be messing.
Hey, look, sheep.
And now someone else is getting all your best.
Follow me, love, come on.
And these boots are made for walking, woohoo! And that's just what they'll do, woohoo! One of these days these boots are gonna walk all over you. Here we know, ladies, don't we?
Right then, love, I reckon it's just over the next hill.
Yeah, that's not a hill, that's a mountain! And you keep lying when you ought to be truthing.
Come on, Elsie, keep up with me, love.
And you keep losing when you ought to not bet.
The lovely view through the clouds.
And you keep saying when you ought to be changing.
Is that an haggis?
What's right is right, but you ain't been right yet, Jack.
This way, love.
And these boots are made for walking, and that's just what they'll do, woohoo! One of these days these boots are gonna walk all over you.
Right then, love, I reckon it's, well, it must be just over the next hill.
Oh, I'm exhausted, Jack! You keep playing where you shouldn't be playing.
Come on, love, keep going, keep going.
And you keep thinking that you'll never get good.
Stay on the path, don't stray onto the moor.
Well, I've got me a brand new box of matches.
It can't be much further.
And what he knows, you ain't had time to learn, Jack.
Keep going, Elsie.
These boots are made for walking at me, and that's just what they'll do. One of these days, these boots are gonna walk all over you.
Love, I reckon it must be just over the next hill.
Oh, I've had enough of this walking all the day. I'm sore through, I'm freezing cold, I've got blisters on my feet, me bunions are killing me. You know what? I'm going to find somewhere nice and warm to have a cup of tea.
Elsie.
I'm off.
Elsie, love.
No, that's it, Jack. I've
Elsie.
had enough of this walking all the
Elsie.
day. Come on, Jack.
Elsie! She's gone. I'm all on my own up a mountain. Oh no. It's tipping with rain. Just walking in the rain. Oh no, what am I going to do now? I'm getting soaking wet. Go right through this raincoat, you know. torturing my heart. My poor heart's tortured by trying to forget. What am I going to do now? Just walking in the rain. I'm all on my own. I'm so alone and blue. I am, you know, I'm very alone. All because my heart, my poor heart, it still remembers you. Hey, look out there, look, oh my word. People come to windows, there's one there, look. Oh, they always stare at me, she's staring at me, look. They shake their heads in sorrow, look, I told you. See, who can that fool be? Well, it's me, isn't it? Just walking in the rain, oh no, what am I gonna do? I'm thinking how we met, it were a nice day that day. Knowing things can change, well I hope they can anyway. But somehow I can't forget. Right, I'm gonna find my Elsie. Maybe she went over here. Elsie? Elsie, love, are you over here? No, she's not over there, I'll try over here. Elsie, love, are you over here? No, she's not over there. Here, maybe she went up mountain. Elsie, are you up the mountain, love? Ah, who can that be? It's me, isn't it? Walking in the rain. Arrow! Oh no! Oh, what? Who's that?
The B&B, come in, get dry, love.
Oh, Elsie, love. Oh, my, glad to see you. Oh, no.
Oh, yeah. That was the last time I went on a walking holiday, I can tell you. Oh, it was dreadful. Come on, Jack, love. I've made us a nice cup of tea here.
Oh, yeah. All that talk of walking and I've made my feet hurt. Now, 5 years after that, we ventured down to Devon.
Oh, yes. We went on a camping holiday. And it started out all right, but...
The weather! Oh!
No. How do you like your eggs in the morning?
I like mine with a kiss.
A boiled or fried?
I'm satisfied as long as I get my kiss.
How do you like your toast in the morning?
I like mine with a hug.
A dark or light?
Well, it's alright as long as I get my hug. I've got to have my love in the AM.
Oh, quite right, Jack. Oh, the rest of the day is positively mayhem.
I'm a regular monster.
How do you like your eggs in the morning?
I like mine with a kiss.
Up or down?
I'll never frown.
Eggs can be almost bliss, just as long as I get my kiss.
Lionel, get this tent up, eh?
Oh, have you got the instructions, Jack?
I don't need instructions, though. I'm a man.
Honestly, we're in trouble, lady.
Right, where we going, Roma?
That's right.
Hey!
Well done, Jack. That looks magnificent.
How do you like?
How do you like your eggs
I like
in the
mine with
morning?
a kiss.
I like mine with a kiss.
Boiled or fried,
I'm satisfied.
as long as I get my kiss.
How do you like your toast
do
in
you
the
like
morning?
toast
I
in
like
the
mine with a hug.
I like mine with
A
a
dark or light?
Well, it's alright, as long as I get my hug. I've got to have my love in the AM.
Quite right, Jack. Oh, the rest of the day is positively mayhem.
I'm a regular monster.
How do you like your eggs in the morning?
I like mine with a kiss.
Up or down?
I'll never frown.
Eggs can be almost bliss, just as long as I get my kiss.
like it? Quick go, inside the tent. Nice and dry in here.
No, it's not. It's leaking.
Give me that
Well,
one.
the tent's leaking up
Pass
here.
that
It's
one
got a
up.
hole.
Well, pass that over there.
Well, yeah, it's getting wet. Jack, sort it out.
I've had enough of this. I'm off. Leaky old tent, I never saw anything like it.
What did you do? Jack, come back here. The sun's not out, the sky's not blue. There's only clouds to spoil the view, and it's raining, raining in my heart. The weatherman said clear today. He doesn't know you've gone away, and it's raining, raining in my heart. Oh, misery, misery. Oh, what's to become of me? The weatherman said clear today. He doesn't know you've gone away, and it's raining, raining in my heart. Jack! Oh, I thought it were him. Raining in my heart.
Elsie, love! Elsie, here you go! This'll stop those drips!
Oh, you came back, and oh, that's a good idea, Jack. You know what? It's actually quite cosy here in this tent. It's like a real home from home.
Hey, you know what happens at night, don't you?
No?
All the stars come out. You know what they say about stars? Catch a falling star and put it in your pocket. Never let it fade away. Catch a falling star and put it in your pocket. Save it for a rainy day. For love may come and tap you on the shoulder some starless night. Just in case you feel you wanna hold her, you'll have a pocket full of starlight. Catch a falling star and put it in your pocket. Never let it fade away. Catch a falling star and put it in your pocket. Save it for a rainy day. For love may come and tap you on the shoulder some starless night. Just in case you feel you wanna hold her, you'll have a pocket full of starlight.
Pocket full of starlight.
A-ra-da-da-da-da-da. Catch a falling star and put it in your pocket. Never let it fade away. Catch a falling star and put it in your pocket. Save it for a rainy day. Yeah, it's good advice this, fellas, I tell you. Works a treat. For when your troubles start multiplying and they just might, it's easy to forget them without trying. With just a pocket full of starlight. Catch a falling star and put it in your pocket. Never let it fade away. Catch a falling star and put it in your pocket. Save it for a rainy day. Save it for a rainy day. Save it for a rainy day. I remember that holiday now. Sleeping on the ground sheet with my bad back. Never again. I was very grateful when we eventually got the van.
Van? What van? We had a Morris 1000.